Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program is open, allow a moment for the familiar interface to load, showing the toolbar, slides pane, and the workspace where you will create and edit your presentation. Ensuring that PowerPoint is fully loaded is the first step toward working with your shapes. After the application has launched, navigate to the presentation where you intend to work with shapes. Whether you are creating a new presentation or editing an existing one, open the file that contains the content you wish to modify. This step is essential as you must have your presentation visible in order to interact with its elements. Take a brief moment to locate the file if it is stored in your recent documents or in another known location on your computer. Once your presentation is open, prepare to work with the shapes within your slide. With the slide selected, you will need to work with two shapes that you plan to join together. To select these shapes, use a method that involves holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each shape individually. This method allows you to make multiple selections at once, and it is particularly useful when you need to apply a grouping action or any other transformation to several objects. Make sure that both shapes are clearly highlighted, as this indicates that they are actively selected and ready for further manipulation. After confirming that both shapes are selected on the slide, move your mouse pointer over one of the highlighted shapes and use your mouse to perform a right click. Performing a right click on the selected objects brings up a context menu that offers a series of options related to your selections. It is important to ensure that you are clicking while the shapes remain highlighted, so that the available options in the context menu pertain to your specific selection. Within the context menu that appears, look for the option labelled Group. Selecting Group is the final step in joining the shapes together. By grouping the shapes, you integrate them into a single, unified object, which can then be moved, formatted, and edited as one. Grouping is especially beneficial when you want to maintain the relative alignment and spacing of your shapes during transitions, or when applying design changes. This technique is useful in creating visually appealing charts, diagrams, and custom design elements within your slide. After you choose the group option, take a moment to review your work by clicking on the newly formed group of shapes. You should now see that the two originally separate shapes have combined seamlessly, functioning as one object in your presentation. This process not only improves the visual harmony of your slide, but also simplifies editing by reducing the number of individual elements you need to manage. Enjoy the streamlined editing process and enhance control over your design as you continue to refine your presentation in PowerPoint.